we're going to go sell software, and then we've got to really trust that the partner that we're bringing in is going to bring value, is going to be thoughtful, it is going to be thinking customer first, is going to implement it on time. And we've got to trust that relationship. And it's got to be a relationship that we're constantly talking together. Trust is always huge. The other one is that they understand what we care about. And that's one of the reasons I do love Thunder. And I think the third one is that customer success, right? That there aren't a bunch of red accounts, that implementation, somebody who's been implemented, who's a customer, can speak to another customer of how easy it was with that partner. The biggest trends right now is every manufacturer has a vision, a technology vision and roadmap. And it's really how to execute on that specific roadmap. The other major trend that we're seeing right now is obviously a focus around AI. Right now, the biggest return for customers when it comes to our technology still is often around customer service. And when I say customer service is, a lot of these manufacturers are bleeding year over year on outdated technologies they use to serve their customers, especially in a field service space. Easy wins across those areas, especially with Salesforce and leveraging our tools, really helping our customers right now. The Salesforce sellers should partner with Thunder for really three main reasons. One is Thunder knows Salesforce inside and out. Most of the employees came from Salesforce, so they completely understand our ecosystem, how we sell. But number two is I can't think of a time where we brought in Thunder and we've had really any customer issues on any implementations that we've had so far. And that's huge because one red account can really ruin our reputation. It could also ruin a partner reputation. I've yet to see it. And three, I think they want to co-sell the deal with us. I've never had a time in my life where I've gone to Thunder and said, hey, this SOW is a little high, or we need to work within his budget, and they haven't worked closely with us. I think that's really important to us, obviously, as we're trying to sell these cycles. And I've never come across a Thunder implementation where they don't have the right certifications for anything that they're implementing. And with everything we're doing now and the advancements with AI and data cloud, you really have to be certified and know your stuff, and they do.